Samsung is preparing to launch its latest innovations at the highly anticipated Unpacked event on January 22nd, and this time it's all about artificial intelligence AI. The tech giant is set to unveil its new Galaxy S series, promising smarter, more intuitive devices that are designed to make our everyday tech experiences simpler and more connected. With AI becoming increasingly integrated into smartphones, this event marks an exciting leap forward in how we interact with our devices. The event will be streamed live for global audiences, offering a chance for anyone with an internet connection to watch as Samsung reveals its cutting-edge technology. While Samsung has kept the specifics of the new devices tightly under wraps, one thing is clear: AI is taking center stage. The company is focusing on making its AI system not only more natural and intuitive, but also capable of offering a truly personalized experience that adjusts to your needs. Samsung has stated that its new AI will set a new standard for mobile experiences, making everyday tasks feel easier and more efficient. This has us wondering just how much smarter the Galaxy S25 series will be. The rumor mill is buzzing with speculation about the new Galaxy S25 series, and reports suggest some significant changes that could make the upcoming phones stand out. The design is expected to evolve, with the Galaxy S25 potentially adopting a more iPhone-inspired look, featuring rounded corners and flat edges for a sleeker appearance. Inside of all three models of the Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This chipset is expected to deliver a noticeable improvement in both performance and energy efficiency, making the overall smartphone experience faster, smoother, and more responsive. Camera upgrades are also a hot topic. While the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are expected to retain similar camera setups to the Galaxy S24 series, the S25 Ultra is rumored to feature some impressive improvements. Reports suggest the S25 Ultra will include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, offering a much broader field of view for photos. It's also speculated to have variable telephoto capabilities, providing a more flexible zoom function that could take mobile photography to the next level. This makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra an appealing option for anyone serious about mobile photography or videography. Battery life, always a key consideration for smartphone buyers, is another area where the Galaxy S25 series may impress. While it appears the battery capacities will remain similar to those in the Galaxy S24 models, there is one exciting new addition: Ki-2 magnetic wireless charging. This next-gen wireless charging technology will make charging more efficient and could even make it easier to charge your device by automatically aligning the charger with the phone. This is a much-needed upgrade for anyone who has struggled with traditional wireless charging alignment. The Unpacked event will take place in San Jose, California, at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Wednesday, January 22nd. If you're eager to get your hands on the new Galaxy S25 series, there's an exclusive opportunity to reserve your device starting at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. The reservation period will last until the day of the event, and those who reserve their phones early will receive a $50 credit toward their next Galaxy device purchase. In addition, there's a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card, making this an offer that's hard to resist. For those who want to trade in their old phones, Samsung is offering additional savings with credits of up to $900 for eligible devices, as well as an instant $300 discount. As someone who has enjoyed the Galaxy S24 Ultra, I'm genuinely excited about the next-generation Galaxy S25 series. With its improved AI capabilities, camera upgrades, and the introduction of features like magnetic wireless charging, Samsung is clearly pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. This upcoming launch is shaping up to be one of the most exciting in recent years, and I'm eager to see how these new features will improve the user experience. So, mark your calendars and get ready for the Unpacked event on January 22nd. Whether you're looking for a device that offers smarter AI, better performance, or the latest in mobile photography, the Galaxy S25 series seems poised to deliver it all. Be sure to tune in to the event for all the details and stay tuned for more updates as we learn even more about these groundbreaking smartphones. See you there. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, We're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.